This is Phlois atomicus. It is also known as the atomic flower, an extremely rare flower that blooms only once every 100 years.
Wow, it last bloomed 100 years ago?
Yes, and it's a mystery what happened to the gardener who owned it then.
What kind of mystery?
Well, they say she just disappeared.
That is mysterious. That has a nice but unusual scent.
It kind of tickles my nose.
Yeah, it kind of does. Good thing I took my allergy medicine today. Wait, did I forget?
I think she's going to sneeze.
It sounds like a big one.
A triple decker for sure.
Brace for impact.
What just happened?
She's gone.
It's just like she blew away.
We've got to find her.
Or we could do whatever we want all day long.
What are we going to do?
We've got to find some answers.
It's up to us. She could be in trouble.
What are you guys doing out of class?
Mrs. Lawson was showing us her atomic flower when she did like the biggest sneeze ever.
And like she blew out of existence.
Good gracious, this is a serious case indeed.
We've got to help her, but we don't know what to do.
Go to the library and get me the book on exotic rare plants and the atomic flower.
And then what?
I'll go to my science lab and synthesize a concoction. Hurry, time is of the essence.
We've got to get Mrs. Lawson back before they party the roof off the classroom.
But if we get caught, we won't get the book.
What do we do?
Let's take the back stairwell.
Found it!
Your joyride is over.
But we gotta get to Nurse Sarah to cure Mrs. Lawson.
Really? Cure her from what?
This atomic flower made her sneeze out of existence.
So this is the magic flower that's responsible?
Achoo!
Actually, it's an atomic flower.
Hurry! Now we've got to cure 2 teachers.
I hope Nurse Sarah got the concoction right.
Oh my goodness, what a journey. That flower pollen sure is potent.
The pollen is still in there after all that partying.
Achoo!